Okay guys, today we're looking at the very beautiful Ritz Carlton Hotel in Koh Samui. Now unfortunately, my time here got interrupted by a giant monsoon rainstorm, so I didn't get to see a lot of the hotel. But this is a beautiful place with the best customer service I've ever experienced in my life. Like, I kept telling them, I'm not staying in this hotel, I'm only visiting, I'm here for lunch. And it was no problem, come in, have a seat, here's a complimentary welcome drink, here's a bottle of water. Do you need a towel for the pool? You should take one anyway. And it was unbelievable. Unfortunately, this is what happened. A giant storm hit maybe 15 minutes after I got there, and it lasted for more than 2 hours. I'd still had my lunch, but it was inside. We'll start on top of the hill where check-in is. It's absolutely beautiful, but this is nowhere near the swimming pool or the main part of the hotel. Everywhere here you have to go by a golf cart. This place covers the entire side of a hill. It's very unique check-in, that's for sure. This hotel is considered 5 stars. It definitely has 5-star service, let me tell you. On Agoda, it's got an 8.8 out of 10 rating, but there's only 948 reviews. That's not very many for a hotel this big. Here we are on our way to the pool area. That's where the restaurant is, that's where the food is, or one of the restaurants. I was going to the pool to have lunch. I did that, just not as enjoyable as I expected. Here we are arriving at the bottom of the hill, and we'll take a look around. I'll put a link to Agoda in the video description if you want to check it out, get more information. They have lots of pictures and everything on there. You can check the prices on your dates. Prices change here a lot. I was here in November of 2024, and prices were around 10,000 baht a night at that time. Right now I'm looking at prices in excess of 15,000 baht per night. That's about 450 US dollars. This is not a cheap place, but the prices vary a lot during the year. But it's absolutely beautiful. Let me tell you, this place is beautiful. The pool area, I didn't get to see any of the rooms, but all of that up the side of the hill, that's the rooms. They're everywhere. The pool is absolutely huge, and it's got a beautiful, pretty private beach as well. It's not that big, but it's very, very nice. Until the rainstorm hits. Then it's not so nice. And as you can see, it's very, very nice. Here's the pool bar. This is where they couldn't give me enough stuff, and I kept telling them, I'm not a guest there, I'm not staying here. Oh, no problem, have a seat, here's a welcome drink. How about a bottle of water? Oh, and you're going to need a towel. Here's my welcome drink, thank you very much. But you can see in the distance, there it comes. It didn't take long, let me tell you. Looking across the pool, it would be very nice if it wasn't a storm. But that's a part of it. It was the rainy season in 2024, at a very long rainy season in this part of the country. Pretty nasty looking, ain't it? It's getting closer. Now I did get lunch, but I had to eat it inside. I had a pizza. It was very good. I didn't get any video of it. That little room was packed with people. It's getting there. You wait. Like I said, I'll put a link to Agoda in the video description. This place is pricey, but if you pick the right dates, it gets a little bit better. And you don't want to be there in a monsoon rainstorm. It kind of takes the fun out of things. This only lasted for about 2 hours. And this is where I ate lunch, and that was my view. Alright guys, there it is. This is a beautiful hotel. It's not a cheap one, that's for sure, but an awesome place to go for lunch. Customer service better than I've ever experienced anywhere else in the world, that's for sure. And this is a beautiful place, but you gotta go everywhere by golf cart. That's the roads. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Beautiful, yeah? After the rain stopped.